Hello and welcome to my genetics lab. My name is Rachel Fields and today we are going to talk about epistasis. Epistasis is when two different loci contribute to the same phenotype in some unaffected manner. A loci is just a spot on a chromosome where a gene is expressed, and a phenotype is just the physical expression of a gene. I was wondering what the ratio of coat color would be in my cats if single recessive epistasis occurred. My pure breeding white cat mated with my pure breeding black cat and they produced a heterozygous cinnamon-colored cat. If this cinnamon-colored cat mated with another heterozygous cinnamon-colored cat, what ratio of colors would I get? Let's head over to the lab and find out. So we start with this dihybrid cross, which simply means a big A, big B, little b cat is mating with another big A, big B, little b cat. This dihybrid cross will always give us a 9:3 to 3 to 1 ratio if there is no epistasis that occurs, as exemplified here in this Punnett square. To visualize the coat colors, we are going to use this pathway. If we have a cat with the genotype homozygous a in it, then it does not have the large A allele needed to cross the path and get the black coat color, so we are stuck here at white coat color. The same thing can be said for homozygous b. If we have a large A allele but do not have a large B allele, then we are stuck at a black coat color. If we have both large A and a large B allele, then we can move all the way across the path to get the cinnamon coat color. In this dihybrid cross, we end up combining these four genotypes into one phenotype because none of them have large B alleles, so they would remain black instead of cinnamon colored. This gives us a final ratio of 9:3 to 4, and as we can see by this chart, the ratio is consistent with single recessive epistasis. Next, let's see what would happen if we mated two cats with these genotypes. This is a non-dihybrid single recessive epistasis cross. We can make a Punnett square to see all the possible genotypes we could get. We can then use these genotypes to follow the pathway and find an 8:8 to 0 ratio, with half being cinnamon colored and half being white, and 0 being black, because we had no small b alleles. Thank you for coming to my genetics lab today. I hope you were able to learn something about epistasis.